What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. My name is Meeks, and in today's video, I have 3 super easy DIYs. So we're going to be working with stickers and paper today. My first DIY is going to be a home decor piece where we're going to use stickers and paper. And then the second one is also a decor piece, but we're going to be using a cardstock with stickers. And then for my third DIY, we are going to design a purse with stickers. Yay! Guys, you know that I love working with stickers because they are so super inexpensive, and it's an easy way for you to get branded kind of look with your like your style at home or your style with the clothes that you wear and things like that. So because I'm super geeky, 2 of the DIYs are going to be Transformer theme and 1 is going to be a Spider-Man theme. But honestly, guys, you can use whatever kind of stickers you like with these DIYs. So without further ado, let's jump into all of this fun stuff. Okay guys, for this first DIY, I'm going to take this red spider web printable that I got online. It was a free printable, but unfortunately I cannot remember what site I got it from, so I cannot link it below. But after I cut that out, I'm going to take this piece of wood that I got from my son's toys. He doesn't need it anymore. Then I'm going to use some Mod Podge and this foam brush, and I'm just going to pour some Mod Podge, and I'm going to use a generous amount on there onto the piece of wood, and then I'm going to place the piece of paper on top of it. Okay, I let that set for a few minutes, and after it was sort of kind of dry, whatever, you know, I'm going to take this piece of sandpaper and I'm going to sand down the edges so that it is a perfect fit on top of this piece of wood. Now, you can find random pieces of wood at like Dollar Tree, or you can go to Lowe's, places like that. So I just happen to have this leftover piece of wood from my son's toys, but you can find pieces of wood just about anywhere. So now that it's ready to roll, I'm going to go ahead and seal it with a top coat of Mod Podge, and then I'm going to grab my Spider-Man, I don't know, it's a piece of paper that I got in one of my boxes from Chad, and I'm going to go ahead and add some Mod Podge to that, and I'm going to stick it on top of there, and then I'm going to seal it with Mod Podge as well. Okay, now that all that's done and nice and dry, I'm going to take these 3D stickers and I'm going to put them in the places they belong on the Spider-Man. And then I'm going to take a paint pen and I'm going to paint the sides of the piece of wood because I didn't want it to be that natural wood. So I'm going to use this black paint pen and I'm going to just color it so that it's black all the way around. Once I finish that, this DIY is ready to roll and it looks so awesome in my geeky area, but I'm going to show you a little display that I did putting this on an easel with some Spider-Man accessories. Okay, for this next DIY, I'm going to take this 3D sticker story set that I got from our girl Jean over at Pinky Jean and these Transformer cards that I got from Chad from the Heroes Tower. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take some double stick tape. I'm going to stick it on the back of the Transformer cards and stick that in the corners of this 3D picture thingamabobber. After I do that, I go ahead and put the stickers in place in just some fun ways with Optimus Prime, ready to attack Megatron, that kind of stuff. Super fun. And what this is, guys, is it's a backdrop for some Transformer figurines that I have, and it looks really awesome. I'm going to show you a fun display of it at the very end of this DIY. Okay guys, for this last DIY, I'm going to take this super cute denim purse and these Transformer stickers that I got from the Heroes Tower, and I'm going to place the stickers on the purse so that we can turn it into a really cool Transformers purse. So to do that, I'm going to use some outdoor Mod Podge with a foam brush. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take the Mod Podge and put a coat of that on top of the purse, and then I'm going to put the stickers on top of the coat of Mod Podge. Now what I found out as I was working through this is that I thought I needed to work in smaller areas, but because this purse is so small, I realized I didn't need to do that. So you're going to see me place the stickers onto the purse, and then I'm going to go ahead and start putting more Mod Podge all over the purse, but then I thought, oh, I'll go ahead and seal these stickers in as I go. Well, what I found out, you're going to see this one sticker lift up. So what's better is to just saturate, if you have a small purse like mine anyways. If you have a bigger purse, maybe do half and then do half, the other half. But at any rate, is to saturate the entire purse with all of the Mod Podge, and then by the time I got to the end, it was just tacky enough where the stickers stayed in place really, really well. So I let that dry completely, and then I put my top coat of Mod Podge over top of all the stickers, and that worked out perfectly for me. Okay, so here I am after the purse has sat for quite a while. I mean, it doesn't look completely dry yet, but I probably left it sit for a good 15 minutes. And then I'm going to go ahead and do my top coat of Mod Podge. After that, I'm going to let this dry, and then this DIY is ready to roll. And here it is. Yay! Guys, it looks so pretty. And oh my gosh, am I so excited that I used that outdoor Mod Podge. That is the perfect Mod Podge to use when you're doing a purse. It's very durable. Everything dried perfectly clear, and it looks fantastic. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. I will have more fun, geeky DIYs coming up in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye! And then the third one is just stickers while we are making a purse. That's right, guys. We are going to do a purse with stickers. So without further ado, Okay. I feel like I messed up, so try it again. My name is Meeks, and in today's video, I have 3... Yep. Let's get started. Oh my gosh. And then the third one is with just stickers, and we are going to design... Let's try it again. So we're going to be working with stickers and paper today. So I have one paper DIY that we're going to do. It's paper and stickers. And then the second one is with... I think I'm trying to think too fast. I don't know. I'm thinking before I'm talking. Okay, that doesn't make sense. Woo! I think I'm thinking so fast and talking so fast that it's just not working. I think that's what I'm trying to say. So I hope that sounds really fun to you. And because I'm super geeky, 2 of the DIYs in today's video are going to be Transformer theme. And this, the other one is, why can't I talk? Ugh. And then the third DIY, we are going to design a purse with stickers. Yay! So because I'm super geeky, you guys, so we're going to be working with stickers and paper today. So I'm going to have like a... Why did I lose my train of thought? Hold on.